Hi, ClassX friends. So this is the second part of the interview that we did, and that we started at IBC 2025, and now we're here at the RTV38 studio, actually. So we have been discussing about the curved rail and the tuning columns, the Technopoint columns, the cameras that are able to give us the 3D protocol of their pan, tilt, and zoom movements. And now we're here, and Fabrizio Bocci will show us, will tell us a little bit about this setup that RTV38 is using.
So mainly this new studio is built using PTZ cameras from Panasonic, actually, mounted on top of Technopoint columns, and one of them is mounted on a rail system which is going up and back and forth in a 16 meters curved, double curved rail, actually, which allows us to give different points of view from the front part to almost the side of each side of the stage.
Okay, the stage. Yeah. Okay. So this is a quite exciting thing. So okay, what you have on on the rail and on the Technopoint column will never be moved. But what about the other cameras? So you move them around, actually, do you, for the different studio recordings and live productions?
Yes, the rail system is fixed, so the rail is going onto the rail, the track, actually. All the other cameras are mounted on a column systems, and we move them around based on the production, on the kind of production we do. Sometimes we bring them on a stage, some other times we spread them apart across the studio.
Yeah, so it is very convenient that there is this new alignment system, the EZlineup system, that we have actually tested here and showed you. And so it's great because whenever you need to change the layout of the camera positions.
Yeah, that's a big improvement for the Elitium XR system, the augmented reality application of this marvelous software, which allows us to move the camera around and simply regain the correct track with just one shot,
exactly.
one take of a picture with a solid cube with some QR system.
Cube.
Yeah, that's a new system. Previously, we had to do a lot of more things, sometimes pretty complicated. And for our situation over here that we have back-to-back live production, it used to be quite complicated. So right now, this improvement is really making our life more simple than before.
Okay, well, thank you, Fabrizio. It was nice finishing our interview now and being again here at your studios.
Thank you for hosting me in our studios.
In your studios.